In this video you will learn how to delete search history in your Instagram account. So hey, I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to delete your search history in your Instagram application, you have to open Instagram app and you will go to your profile, which is on the bottom right side of the page. And now you will click on the three lines icon, which is on the top right side of the page. Now you can see that 1 2 3. So on the third number option you can see that your activity is mentioned. You will click on it, and under this you will see that recent searches is mentioned, which is on the third last option on the same page. You will click on it. So on this page you can see that whatever you have searched on your Instagram Explore page, it is mentioned here. You can clear all of them in one shot, or you can clear any specific search. If you have done it, you can do it there too. So this is the simple process of deleting the search history in your Instagram application. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.